In a social media landscape with tons of different platforms, content, and competition, developing a clear strategy for planning carefully can help you focus on the efforts that will best serve your goals. This part of the course will explore these first two pillars of social media marketing: strategy and planning and publishing. First, we'll cover how to develop a successful strategy for your social media campaign, including how to define your goals, identify your target audience, choose social media platforms, build your brand identity on social media, and select content types and formats that reinforce your brand. Then we'll get into how to effectively plan and publish your social media posts. We'll discuss how to determine the frequency and timing of posts, implement real-time marketing, create and use a social media calendar, and utilize social media management tools. Ready to go? Meet me in the next video.